What's up, everybody? Mike Dingler here with the PWNA. We're in Illinois, and any of y'all that know me know that I'm from Georgia, and just wanted to shoot a little video to let you know that what we do at the PWNA is we all come from different walks of life, different areas of the U.S. and Canada. We all have the same thing of exterior cleaning in common, but we come from different areas, and we do different things, and we do them differently. So we get together for the education summit like this, and behind us is that big building. So we all get together in those rooms and we make these PowerPoints and we film these hands-on instructional videos with not just us, like just one guy like me from Georgia. You know, I come out here and now look what we've got. We're doing fall protection, and I've got this truck with a line on it right here, and it's going up on the house there, okay, all the way across back down to the other side. All right, and we're doing that to rig up fall protection on a ranch for roof cleaning, Christmas lights, whatever you want to do. So do I know all the methods to do all of that the same way that Trevor over there from California knows, or Bo knows? No, they do it their way, I do it my way, but then we all get together and we share our knowledge, and that's what you get with the PWNA, is you get shared knowledge going into PowerPoints and classes. And we all meet with Draper, who's the safety advocate on the app, and he knows all of the OSHA and all of the safety, right? But we out here, us three, we're contractors and we own our own businesses. So we learn a lot from coming to these things too and doing these educational summits for the PWNA. And every time we do Elevate or any kind of, local class or anything, we expand our knowledge even more by working together. And they say that, one strand of a rope is not that strong, but if you get, multiple strands of a rope and weave them together, that's where you get your strength. And that's where it comes with us instructors too. We all just want to be better instructors, better leaders for our own companies and for the BOD at the PWNA. So just know that we're always out here. The instructors are always willing to help. We've got instructors from all over that come together and have a good time and teach things about exterior cleaning that, need to be taught, things that need to be, perfected at home, like plant property protection. We're filming tomorrow, so we're protecting things. We're doing things the right way. And it comes with experience, but it also comes with a lot of events like this. So when you wonder, what the PWNA does to set ourselves apart from all the other orgs in the industry, we all come together, we all film classes, we put those classes online for our people, all of our members are our people, and we want to help you guys out any way we can. So if you ever have a class that you want offered by the PWNA that we don't currently have in our catalog, feel free to reach out to any of us, Liette, anybody in the main office, info at PWNA, just reach out, support at PWNA, whatever, and say, hey, we want this class or we want that class. I just finished filming a holiday light class, right, for our all of our washers that want to get into holiday lights. So anything that you can think of that would help you in your business as a PWNA member, feel free to reach out and ask us to put it on the educational roadmap for classes to be made. We come together like this and do a summit at least once every couple years. But if you guys give us more classes, more things that you want offered, hey, the sky's the limit. We'll come together every 6 months in this compound back here, and we shoot all of our filming. I'll take y'all through there, but we shoot everything here on site, and what better place to shoot it than a place that's focused on safety, right? So you got Michael Draper, who is the safety advocate app. Okay, so everybody that is a PWNA member should know about the app, but that's his app, and this is where it was formed. And I'll show you the room. So here's the room right here. Behind me is a bunch of stuff that he has for sale. Guess I can take my sunglasses off. And then this is where we have our classroom instructional videos that we make, all for the PWNA in here. And then what also is cool is we have an indoor facility that we use And you can see that he does rope training and stuff from the rafters of this place. It's pretty impressive. And then we have this other place that has, we've got a makeshift house. We were doing Christmas light classes this morning on using those tools up there. This is all solar panels. So that's a huge industry, solar panel cleaning. So from Georgia, I don't know much about it. From California, solar panels are everywhere. That's why Trevor's here, and that's why he teaches the solar panels, and that's why I do not. They're, mostly California type scenarios with solar cleaning and all that. There's some in Georgia, but not a lot where I live in Georgia. Windows. I mean, we're doing window cleaning classes, water-fed pole cleaning classes. Just basically anything that you can think of in the exterior cleaning field is what we're trying to accomplish here in our nice training facility. So, like I said, reach out. Once again, this is Mike with the PWNA. Let us know what classes you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching.